Zombie apocalypse.
Hi guys! Today we are going to show you how to use Discord. Downloading Discord. Go to discord.com, click download. Creating an account. Registering. Click on register. Fill all the necessary details. Verify your account. You will get a mail. Knowing all details about your account. Click on settings. You can change name, email and phone number. Change password. Enable two-factor authentication. Disable or delete account. Connections. You can connect your Twitch, YouTube, Steam accounts, etc. Appearance. Change theme. Change message display. Change font scaling. Voice and video. Input and output devices. Change volume. Language. Change or view current language. About friends. Click on add friend to add a friend. Creating new server. Click on plus symbol. Choose the type of server. Add name and icon. Inviting friends. Click on invite your friends. Right-click server icon, invite people. Place cursor on a text channel and click invite. Creating text or voice channels. Click on plus icon. Select the type of channel you want to create. Give channel a name. You can also use emojis. Creating category. Right-click server icon, click category. Roles. Right-click server icon, server settings, roles. Creating a role. Give role a name. Give role permissions. Giving role to a member. Click on user. Click plus symbol and give roles. Server settings. Custom emoji. Right click server icon, emoji, upload emoji. Server template. Create a template of your server and share it. Once shared, the new server will have some channels, roles, etc. Members. You can see and give roles to members here. Bands. You can see who are banned in this server. Creating a private channel. Click plus symbol. Check the box with private channel. Right-click channel, edit channel, permissions. Bots. Adding bots. Go to top.gg. You can find various bots, for example MEE6. Type the name of bot. Click invite, login. Select server setup. Using a bot. Use prefix help to know about the bot. You can also go to the bot's dashboard. Thank you. Like, share, comment and subscribe.